Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix or how to connect your PS5 controller to the PS5 if the wired connection isn't working, like if the USB-C cable you're using it's not working. So all you want to do is on your phone, go over to the App Store or Play Store, download the PS Remote Play app. Once you download the PS Remote Play app, you should be able to connect it to the PS5 or whatever you're on, PS5, PS4, it's the same thing. And yeah, once you basically connect it, all you have to do is just scan the network and it automatically connects. But anyways, yeah, once you do connect it to the PS5, go over to settings using your phone, like it basically turns into a controller almost. Go over to accessories, go over to Bluetooth accessories, and what you want to do first is you want to click X on it and delete it, like any paired accessories you already have, delete them. And then from your controller itself, hold the PlayStation logo button and this button at the same exact time until it starts flickering blue, like the light starts flickering on and off basically, and then it's going to come up here. And then using your phone, you want to basically just connect it, and then once that's done, you should be, I don't know what this is, but once that's done, you should be good to go. And yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, you can technically also do this if you have a spare controller that's working, but if you only have one controller, that is the best method. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.